MIMO kids. So today we are learning about vehicle names. So wow, this is a big truck. Look, the truck is red. So, are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Then let's go. Now I'm gonna open this big truck. Pick out the ambulance. Wow, look, this is an ambulance. Ambulance helps sick people. Do you know it? Yes. What? Ambulance. Good. Do you know it? Ambulance. Good job! So now let me pick up something else, like this little car. Wow, this is a police car. This is a truck. This is a police car. Police helps people. You know, like stuff like when something is gone from them, and then somebody calls 911. So do you know what is this? Police car. Good. Do you know it? Police car. Let me pick out this car out here. Wow, a fire truck, my favorite. So fire trucks help people put out the fires. They warm people up so that nothing can even hurt them. So what does fire truck have? Ladder. Good job. And what is the name of it? Fire truck. Good job. Now what is this? Fire truck. Now let me pick out this thing. Wow! It's a helicopter. Helicopters flies in the sky. What is this? Oh, it's a helicopter. What is this? Helicopter. Okay, let me do this. Oh, but that doesn't work. Whatever. I'll just put it. Now let me pick out this red thing. Let's just like that. Wow, this is a boat. Boat moves on water like. So a boat keep humans on anything they want to go. So boats get anything, any humans, anything, you know? So what is this called? A boat. What is this? Pool. What's this? An ambulance. Good job. I know what's this. What is this? A truck. Police truck. Police truck. Okay. Good job. What is this? A fire truck. Okay, what's this? Police truck. No, it's a fire truck. Fire truck. This. Okay. Now what's this? A helicopter. What's this? Helicopter. Okay. And what is this? A boat. Okay, good. What's this? Look. Okay. What do this do? Helicopter does fly in the sky. Okay. What do police cars do? Fly in the sky. They help people. Good. And good job. Okay. Now what do police boats do? They walk. They go on water. Okay. Good job. Okay, what do ambulance do? They help sick people. Good job. Okay, what do firefighters do? They put out the fires on their own things. Good. Okay. Orange and yellow. Orange and
White.
yellow?
Yup, and also black.
That's good. Okay. What is this color?
Green and purple and black.
Good job. What is this color?
Purple, white. Light purple.
Good job.
And also black in there.
Good job. Okay, what is this?
Color is blue and orange and also black, white.